Fanta the yellow. Oh, shawty, you're my angel, and I can see your halo.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another makeup tutorial and we are concentrating on the eyes, and I will be working with only shimmers and glitters. That is what I will be doing on this eye. I'm not going to add a transitional shade, no, I'm just going to go straight to my shimmers and my glitters. So
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one.
I hope you guys like it and I hope it comes out well. As you can see, yeah, I think it came out well. So if it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. You're welcome gorgeous. My name is Chelsea. Please, if you like it here, before you go, don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please click on that like button. When you subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So that is it. Let's head into this video. Yay! I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. I like listening to music these days while doing my makeup. I have done my foundation just to save time. I use this foundation from Kiss Beauty. This one is the shade 01, I think so. So that's the foundation I use, and I conceal my under eye with this concealer from Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. So that is what I did. So right now I just need to set under my eye to protect the fallout of the glitters. You guys know when you're using glitters, they fall all over. So I'll be using this one from Peggy Stage. I'll just press it under. And I'll set my lid as well with that. Because if I don't do that, you can see that the concealer is separating, so I don't want that. That is why I need to set it, because I don't want that separation. I don't know why it's creasing. It's crazy. Oh la la. I hope everything works out well as planned. So I'll be using this shimmer here, this one here. I'm just going to pack that on all over my lid. Let's try this, guys. Let's do this. I hope it comes out well as planned. I'm just using a flat brush. I'm going to press it all over my eyelid.
Blonde hair, blue eyes, that'll make you faint.
So I'm just putting that all over my lid.
Her lips so kissable and poisonous. I know she won't be good for me, but I don't care, 'cause I know it's so bad.
Guys, this will be so beautiful, I think. I don't know. Let's do it first. Mind you, I'm just trying to press it there. I'm not blending it, you just press it in. Mind you, I did not use anything like transitional shade. I just applied the shimmer directly to my concealer that I set. I hope this comes out as planned. I'll be so happy if it comes out as I want. I'll be so happy, guys. So that is done. I'll be using different shades of glitters because I said this look is going to be just glitters. I have all these glitters. They are from BH. I have this one, this one, these two, they are the same, so let me put this aside. I have this one that looks like purple. I have this gold, and I have all these ones in this can. So what I want to do, I want to turn all one by one on this place, then I'll mix all together. So these are all the shades you guys can see. So I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm trying to like mix all the colors together, all the shades together, and this is what it gives to me. This is it. I'm going to use eyelash glue. So I'm going to apply eyelash glue. I'm going to put little somewhere. Take a flat brush like this. Then I'm going to use it to touch my glue. Then I'm going to pack it all over. I'm just going to dab it all over, so that by the time I will apply my glitters will stay in place. If I don't do this, they are going to be all over. So that is why I'm applying this. I'm going to use that same brush. Just use it and press my glitters. They're just all over the place. Let me see if I can use this to like remove them. Oh wait. Thank God. I was able to use my beauty blender to remove everything. So I'm going to use this pressed powder. Let me clean it. This one under my eye, just to brighten there. I'm going to use this to contour. And I'm going to add mascara to my lashes. I'm going to use a black liner to line my waterline. I'm going to apply the glue under so that I can press the glitters. I'll be using a flat brush like this. I'll touch the glue. Then I'm just going to put it under here. So that my glitters can stick to it. For my lashes, I'll be using these lashes from Mink lashes. So guys, my lashes are on and I tied my hair. So we're going to move on to the rest part of the face. I'm going to add blush to my cheek. And I'll be using this. Using this highlighter, and I'll be using this shade and this shade, these two shades. I'm going to touch the two. That I'm going to dab the blush. Let's use that to blend it. But it's not too much.
In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real.
So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Ayana comme moi, ok. Et là, papi, mais qu'est-ce que ça? J'entends des bails à trop sur moi.